Ever wondered why some people have that flawless, glowing skin? The secret isn't just found in expensive creams but right on your plate. Today, I'm going to walk you through the ultimate diet plan for glowing skin. What to eat, what to avoid, and why nourishment from within is the key to that luminous complexion. So, buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to shine inside and out. The science of skin and diet. Layers of the skin with healthy versus unhealthy skin. Our skin reflects what's happening inside the body. It's the largest organ and acts as a barrier, so it craves essential vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and hydration to stay healthy. If your diet lacks these nutrients, the signs are hard to miss: dullness, acne, inflammation, and even premature aging. Let's dive deeper into the connection between food and skin health. Key nutrients for glowing skin neutralize free radicals, preventing premature aging. 1. Antioxidants. Sources: berries, dark chocolate, spinach, and nuts. Boosts collagen production for firmness and elasticity. 2. Vitamin C. Sources: oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwis. Prevents damage from UV rays and nourishes the skin barrier. 3. Vitamin E. Sources: almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocado. Reduce inflammation and lock in moisture for a dewy look. 4. Omega-3 fatty acids. Sources: salmon, flax seeds, and walnuts. Reduces acne by regulating oil production. 5. Zinc. Sources: pumpkin seeds, lentils, and chickpeas. Flushes out toxins and maintains skin moisture. 6. Hydration and water-rich foods. Sources: cucumber, watermelon, and coconut water. Hydration. The skin's best friend. A glass of water with fruits-infused water plays a key role in maintaining skin elasticity and preventing wrinkles. When your body is hydrated, your skin looks plumper, and fine lines are less visible. Dehydration, on the other hand, makes the skin look dull and lifeless. Start your day with warm lemon water. It helps detox the body and gives you a radiant glow from within. The Glow Boosting Meal Plan. Let's break down a sample meal plan that fuels your skin. Breakfast. Packed with antioxidants and omega-3s. This dish fights free radicals and keeps inflammation at bay. Mid-morning snack. Rich in vitamin C and vitamin E to hydrate and firm up your skin. Lunch. Omega-3s from salmon reduce redness, and broccoli provides sulforaphane, which offers UV protection. Afternoon snack. A dose of antioxidants that keep your skin youthful. Dinner. Zinc in lentils balances oil production, while kale detoxifies your skin. Before bed. Helps reduce stress and improves sleep, which is essential for skin regeneration. What to avoid for clear skin. A. No junk food. Sign with a pizza crossed out. Some foods do more harm than good for your skin. Here's what you need to cut down on. 1. Refined sugars. Triggers insulin spikes, leading to acne and inflammation. Found in candy, sodas, and pastries. 2. Dairy products. For some, dairy increases oil production and clogs pores. Replace with plant-based milk options like almond or oat milk. 3. Processed foods. High in sodium and preservatives, which dehydrate your skin. Avoid packaged snacks and fast food. 4. Alcohol. Depletes your skin of moisture and dilates blood vessels, causing redness. Solution. Alternate with water or limit consumption. The role of gut health in skin glow. Illustration of the gut-brain-skin connection. Your skin and gut are connected through something called the gut-skin axis. An unhealthy gut can result in skin issues like acne and eczema. Here's how to maintain a happy gut for glowing skin. 1. Probiotics. Yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut. 2. Prebiotics. Garlic, onions, and bananas. 3. High-fiber foods. Oats, beans, and apples to keep digestion smooth. Pro tip. Avoid foods that cause bloating or discomfort, as they might be triggering inflammation throughout your body, including your skin. How stress and sleep affect skin health. relaxing person with face mask, sleep tracker app. Stress can wreak havoc on your skin by increasing cortisol levels, which lead to breakouts. To combat this, try relaxation techniques like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing. Additionally, sleep is when your body repairs itself, so aim for at least 7-9 hours every night. Supplements for that extra glow. A variety of supplement bottles. While whole foods are the best source of nutrients, supplements can provide a boost. Here are some skin-friendly ones to consider. 1. Collagen peptides. Improve elasticity and reduce wrinkles. 2. Vitamin C serum or capsules. Brighten skin and reduce dark spots. 3. Fish oil supplements. Keep skin hydrated and glowing. 4. Biotin. Promotes healthy skin, hair, and nails. Lifestyle tips for radiant skin. Woman applying sunscreen, exercising, smiling, protects against UV rays and prevents premature aging. Boosts circulation, bringing oxygen and nutrients to the skin. Improve blood flow and reduce puffiness. Blue light exposure can harm your skin, so take regular breaks. Quick DIY face masks for instant glow. Natural ingredients like yogurt, honey, and turmeric. 1. Avocado and honey mask. Moisturizes and soothes skin. 2. Turmeric and yogurt mask. Fights inflammation and brightens the skin. 3. Oatmeal and banana mask. Exfoliates and nourishes tired skin. Putting it all together, happy person glowing with healthy skin. Healthy, glowing skin is achievable with the right balance of nutrition, hydration, and lifestyle choices. Remember, consistency is key. What you eat today impacts your skin tomorrow. Embrace a colorful plate, drink plenty of water, and protect your skin from environmental damage. The journey to radiant skin isn't a sprint but a marathon, one healthy habit at a time. Outro. Your glow-up journey starts now. Smile, thumbs up, healthy plate of food, and that's it. Your guide to achieving glowing skin from the inside out. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and beauty tips. Leave a comment below about your favorite skin-boosting food. We'd love to hear from you. Stay radiant, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.